In modern newsrooms, the barrier to growth isn't creating content. It's the friction felt between the pitch of an idea and the publish button. When editors are slowed down by workflow tools and marketers are flying blind, technology becomes a bottleneck instead of a competitive advantage. It's time to move beyond sticky tape together solutions. This is WP Engine Newsroom, a new editorial workflow and operations software for sites made with WordPress, purpose-built for the realities of modern media publishing. It is the foundation that lets ambitious organizations move faster and publish smarter. How you work matters, especially when collaborating with different teams across multiple channels. Newsroom addresses the critical challenges felt across the entire media organization. It provides editors with high-velocity tools to win the news cycle, including publication checklists, live news options, and other features built to elevate content. It also gives marketing teams the intelligence required to grow, unlocking key analytics through features like session recordings and heat mapping, all on a secure architecture that engineering teams can trust. When editorial intent and technology align, everybody wins. WP Engine Newsroom clears the path for growth, allowing teams to reach wider audiences and publish with a new level of confidence. WP Engine Newsroom, the new platform for editorial excellence. Learn more, see it in action, and book a demo today.